Hi, I'm Adam from Flash Parking. Today, I'm going to show you basic maintenance on your Bill Note Recycler cash machine. When paired with our Smart Station, the cash machine provides a pay-on-foot or in-lane cash option. Now, there are no serviceable components in the cash machine, but I'll share a few tips on the best way to handle it. To open the cash machine, you'll need your 3/8 Allen key. We'll insert it into the locking hole here and turn counterclockwise to wrench the door open. Inside of the enclosure, you'll find the Bill Note Recycler and your power supply here in the back of the enclosure. To close the cash machine, we'll use the same 3/8" Allen key, and this time turn it clockwise while pushing in on the door to fully close the enclosure. And that's all there is to the cash machine.